This is going to be the most comprehensive video on how to book an appointment on the new US appointment portal. I've made several videos in the past on how to register. You can find it here. How to make payment for the visa fee. How to book an appointment briefly. But on this particular video, this is going to be focusing on strictly how to book appointment on the new US appointment portal. In case you don't know, there's a new appointment site for the US Embassy. And this is why I'm making this video. So if you find this video really useful, make sure you smash on the like button. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notifications icon. That's the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So whenever I make a new video, you don't get to miss it. Now let's jump right into it. Now, to book an appointment on the new US appointment portal, there's basic things you need to know. Let me just give you the tips and tips. So now, number one, ensure that you have a fast internet. Have a fast internet access, because no matter what you do, if you don't have a strong internet access, it could prevent you from actually booking a date. So why is this very important? Let me give you an example. If there are 2 slots and there are like 100 people trying to book the same slot, it is the people with the fastest internet access that will be able to book the particular slot. Because while your internet is still rolling, someone else has picked the date and it has been booked. So that's number one. So ensure that you have a fast internet access. Number two, update your browser. So browsers are very important when it comes to this new appointment portal, because I realized that sometimes it feels like the portal is not compatible with old browsers, and that's why sometimes whenever you click a date, it tells you it has been used. That's because you're using an old browser, and before you pick a date, someone else has picked it. So by the time you click on that particular date, it tells you it has been used. So ensure that you update your browser. That way you'll be able to pick a date faster. Number three, ensure that you are always logging in at different intervals to check for the particular date. So don't just wait for a specific time, check at different intervals. And the good thing is this, unlike the former website that has some limits, on this particular website, you can check as much as you can. So always ensure that you are logging in at random intervals, very early in the morning, at noon, and at night. So just keep checking randomly, even at weekends too. Odd hours, just keep checking, because sometimes they might bring it during the week and sometimes during the weekend. So there's no specific time. There's no time when it comes to this. It always involves you just checking often. And the last but not the least is this. Just in case you can't be online 24/7. So you can gather some of your friends. You could form an alliance with your friends. You could check from a specific time to a specific time. Another person could take over from that time. Then the next person also take over. So that's even if you're not online, there's somebody that is searching on your behalf, and if there's a specific date, that person would alert any one of you that is not available. So that way, you ensure that you don't get to miss the date. So now to get started, I'll be logging into my system to show you the step-by-step process. So the first point is this: log into the new appointment portal through this link. So once you log in, I want to believe you have made payment for the visa fee. If you have not made payment for the visa fee, check my video now to make payment for the visa fee. So once you have filled in the visa fee, just click on appointment, then follow through the process. And that's when your profile has been approved. So once you click on that, it takes you to the appointment page. So the next thing you want to do is this. You find it blank. Select either Lagos or Abuja, depending on the one you are planning to apply from. Once you select it, it's going to show you the specific date available. Now click on next. If a date is not available for the particular month that it's currently showing you, click on next to see other months available. Once you get a date that is okay for you, just click on that date and just select the time. Then that's basically how to book an appointment on the new appointment portal. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. If you find this video useful, smash on the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications icon. That's the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So whenever I make a new video like this, you don't get to miss it. It's going to send you a special notification telling you I've just made a video. That way you don't get to miss any of my videos, because I'll be sharing different videos. If there's any topic you want me to do a video on, drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to do a video on that. See you next time. Bye.